Hey everybody, how's it going? It's our first day of holidays and just tromping through the snow here. We had a little bit of a snowstorm last night. Not too much, about a foot of snow. I want to show you guys a few things here. It's minus 30 something with the wind chill. Woo! There we go, we're past the tree line. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. You guys always ask me what it's like to live in a northern climate. So the saving grace this time of the year is the ditches are full, okay? When these ditches get full and the wind will blow, you can't see. So well, I'll show you guys later. Sorry, that wind is just stifling. Flip you guys back around here. Try and keep you out of the sun. So what are we doing outside? We got to fire old Betsy up here. You guys have been asking, what do you push snow with, Tin Man? I'll show you. Just gonna walk over to the shop here, or the shed. Just grab you guys with my other arm. It's awesome. We're on holidays. Oh, she's real crisp out here, guys. I hope you guys can still see me. It's super bright out here. Okay, we're at the shop. Flip you guys around here. This is where every country boy's got to store his junk. This is my snow clearing rig. Just gonna check the oils. I haven't used this thing much. I had her going the other day. Yeah, we got hydraulic fluid. Sure the oil's good. Always check it. What do we got here? Oh yeah, we're good. So this is a 98 Gale 5635 SX, 60 horsepower, naturally aspirated. This has a 60 horsepower Deutz motor, no turbo. It's an interesting motor, guys. No antifreeze. A lot of you guys are familiar with these, but for those of you that aren't, this motor has oil running through the cooling jacket. So, kind of interesting. I'm just going to pause you guys here and let's climb in and fire the old girl up. See if she's cranky today or not. I forgot to plug her in. I'm going to zoom you guys back here. There you go. So, we got hour meter, fuel, oil temperature gauge. Put a backup camera in her and let's see if she's gonna go. This it's minus 30 something. Okay, ready? Uh-oh. Sometimes I'll glow plug her a few times, guys. Come on, girl. I should have plugged this thing in last night. We might be dead in the water here. I'll have to put the charger on it and plug it in. Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to try her one more time. And if she don't go, we're dead in the water. It's another day in a northern climate. This thing hasn't run much lately, so I have a feeling the battery's dead. Come on, girl. Yep. Okay, we'll have to boost her with the Tundra. Okay, guys. Well, we'll plug her in. For those of you that live in warm climates, this is something we got to do here. You got to plug it in. There's actually a cord that runs to the oil pan to a heating element, and it'll heat that oil up. This thing will spin over faster. I got like a 1200 cold cranking amp battery in here. I just ran this thing a week ago. Gave her a little trial run, but she's cranky, so hopefully I didn't run the battery down too much. And we'll see what we can do with her. We'll We'll leave her plugged in for about, I don't know, a couple hours. We'll see what she's gonna do. She's gonna be real cranky when we fire her up here. She's gonna be real cranky when we fire her up, but that's the northern climate. Literally, guys, 2 weeks ago I was falling in a long sleeve t-shirt, and look, it's a frozen abyss now out here. Mustache is freezing. That's what the big beard's for. It's not a fashion statement, it's protection from the wind. So yeah, we're gonna plug this thing in. I'm probably gonna go into the saw shop, and I gotta make a little repair to my booster cables. One of the ends is broken off, so I'll go do that, and I might decide to just see if I can get this thing boosted, but it definitely needs to be plugged in. So if we can get her going, we'll do a little snow clearing. I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Okay, friends, we're going to plan B. Got the Tundra going here. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, I'm gonna pull the Tundra up and see if we can get her going. This is just a little fun, you know. This is another day in a northern climate, and the smallest job can get out of hand real quick. I'm just gonna pause you guys here and get her pulled up and see if we can get old Gail going. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I had to rig these ends up to what I have. Note to self, get new booster cables. Got her plugged in here, block heater's on. I'll leave the Tundra idling for half an hour, see if we can get her going. She's firing. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out of there, but she don't want to go. This machine typically fires half a turn. Like literally, you touch the key and zing, there she goes. So if she don't start right away, I usually don't mess with her too much. Try and treat her good. Once I get her going, I'll let her idle for half an hour, 45 minutes, and she's going in the saw shop for the rest of the winter. If it doesn't start today, I'll wait till Christmas, because it's supposed to be just right around the freezing mark. There, check her out, guys. 5635 SX non-turbo, and I gotta put the door on. I used to plow snow with a open cab tractor out here, and let me tell you guys, this thing's a blessing. It's big, it's nasty, it's heavy. It'll push anything I put in front of it. It's got a heater in the back there, guys. When I do get this thing going, I'll take you guys for a spin and show you guys how it works and the controls and everything if you guys are interested. Yeah, and she's got a big old snow bucket on her, so always check. I'm pretty thorough with my machines, guys. I need this machine out here. I'll zoom you guys out. I need this machine here, and I treat her good. She's a little dirty, but she's always greased, and I always check the oil and the tires, everything before I start her, and I let this machine warm up for a long time before I fire her up. So I have a dream while I'm standing in here. One day I want to make this the saw shop. It's got about an 18-foot ceiling, it's a Quonset. I'd like to put the dream is I'd like to put a mezzanine floor across here and have a staircase that goes up this way, guys, and we could have a little hangout up there. And this would be a good size shop for me. It's 30 by 40. Anyhow, we're just gonna wait patiently and see if we can get her going. If she don't go today, we'll try another day. While we're waiting for the skid steer here, guys, you guys keep asking about Pioneers. Yeah, we got Pioneers here. Don't you worry. When the mood strikes me, and again, guys, this is my hobby. I do it for fun. I like to share things with you guys. When the mood strikes me, yes, sir. You guys picking up what I'm throwing down? Oh, yeah, we got a few home lights. Anyways, don't you guys worry. Just gotta be in the mood, guys. When I'm in the mood, I make magic happen, or at least attempt to. Okay, friends, it's been about 45 minutes. Oh, gonna put the lap bar down. Oh, we got her. Woo. Another day in the north. We gotta put the door on here. Let the old girl run for about 45 minutes. Treat her good. You're a good girl there, Gail. Oh, we're gonna have to put her in the saw shop, friends. It's cold. I'm gonna unhook the Tundra and let this thing run for a bit. Catch you guys in a bit. Oh, I know. Tin Man, the simplest things make you happy. They do. You gotta appreciate the simple things, and getting your snow clearing machine running, let me tell you, friends. Okay, friends, we're in the machine. you guys go. Gale 5635. I pushed snow here in a 30 horse open cab tractor when we moved here. It did the job. It was a good first piece of equipment, but this thing's a monster. The work we just did there would take me hours in an open cab tractor, and I'd be frozen right now. It's not super hot in the cab, but it's enough to take the chill off, and what more could you ask for? So there you guys go. We got her in the saw shop. We'll let her thaw out a bit, and she should fire up half a turn next time we want to use her. Anyways, snow clearing with the Tin Man. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching. Take her easy. Later, guys.